Hello, this is tyres. Just going to show you how to fit a 19-inch tyre on a brand new alloy wheel. Now this alloy here hasn't got a single scratch. I've already fitted 3 in. I will just show them to you. On the rear is 275 35 19, and on the front is 245 40 19s. Now I've fitted these in. This is going on a 6 Series BMW. I'm going to show you how this one's done. Make sure I get that right. So remember, you've got tyre. You've got inside, outside on the tyre right there, as you can see. So make sure that goes on the outside. In, and the second one, I'm going to use the help of the arm because it's kind of deep. And if you can see here, that's the second bead right there. This tyre bead here needs to go below that for it to sit in properly. So if I get it moving, my arm's right there. So I'll put her in there. Now this way, you're not scratching the wheels at all. Now if you were to do it without the bars and everything, without this, there's a possibility you scratch the wheel. But as I've done this now, I've got it on. I'll just show you. Now if I can start cleaning it up, you can see right there, there's not a single scratch on the wheel. Go around. That's it. Now if you need your tyres, if you've got a 19-inch, 20-inch, one flats or whatever you've got, and if you want them fitted, you can count on us. Tyres, that is, in Southampton. Give us a shout. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Right, yo, this is a 6 Series BMW. Now these are the wheels that will be taken off, and we'll show you the wheels in a bit, which one we're putting on. This is the 6 Series. As you can see right there, that's the baby. Here we go, time to put the wheels on. We'll just show you in a few seconds how the car looks with the wheels on there. Right, the final touch. Got the wheels on, got the front grille on as well, as you can see right there. It just looks a bit mean. We're going to get the headlights smoked out. So these as well, getting blacked out all the way across. And look at the wheels, they just look so nice. As you can see, they're perfectly sitting in as well. On the rear you got 275s, and on the front you got 245s. We'll get a spoiler on the back here as well. A real nice M Sport spoiler. Look at that. That just looks mean. So these, we're going to get that changed. Wow, that's all done.